The zip tie. No, baby. No, put it like this. Over here. You see? Like this. Wait. Make it short. Then you cut it. Hi, squeeze it. Ah, sure. Good job. Give it to Mateo right now. Teo, you take it. Hi, no, not Teo. We're gonna cut one. Wait, no. Put it right here. Right here, Teo. Right here, put it. Right here. Right here. Wait. Put it right here, Teo. Like this. Yes. Hi, squeeze it hard. Hard. More. Good job, Mateo. You wanna cut one more? I'll give it to Naomi. Hadi. No, I'm gonna cut it right now.
I go do it.
Hadi, do it. Yes. Got it. Squeeze it. Hard. Hard. Yes, good job. Bravo. Give me. Give it to me. You want to cut it too? Yeah, take that one from the floor. Nah. That's what they're going to hold and you cut it. Cut this one. Cut it. Cut this one. Cut it. Ah, sure. Cut it. Squeeze it. Tare. Hard. Like this. Up. That's it. Good job, Mateo. Okay. Let's see. Let's go see the truck, baby. We gotta fix that truck. Let's go see the blue truck right there. Yeah, we have to change the alternator. So we got a Cascadia right here. We gotta replace the alternator. We just checked it with the power probe, and it's putting only like 12.3, 12.4 volts. So we're gonna let it cool down a little because it's too hot. And I don't want to work on it right now. I'm gonna let it cool down and then start pulling it up. Positive wires right here. That's a nice style. I like this style when they connect in the middle. It's a lot easier. Just put a cardboard so they don't touch the batteries. And then we'll start taking off.
It's still a little bit hot, but taking first the bottom two bolts on this alternator, which is right there. Let's see what power it has. Shows 12.7. Okay, my man, let's start the truck. Yeah. Everything is back with the belt. Everything is good. We'll see how much power it's gonna give right now. Perfect. One job done. This one with the alternator is done. And he is going. I hope you're gonna have a safe trip. Don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe to my channel.